Hey there, meme enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the world of Mr. Bean memes and learning how to generate realistic Mr. Bean meme images using AI. And the best part, it's absolutely free, so grab your popcorn and let's dive into this hilarious tutorial. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, we're going to search for a fantastic AI tool called Styler AI. Once you're on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to get started. Select Text to Image as the transformation type for your project. Now, let's choose the style that will bring our meme to life. Click on Realistic for a true-to-life transformation. Describe the hilarious Mr. Bean meme image you want to create using the provided text box. Select Text to Image as the transformation type for your project. Imagine the unexpected sight of Mr. Bean perched precariously in the crown of the Statue of Liberty. Let your creativity run wild as you envision the hilarious antics and mishaps that might unfold in this unlikely scenario, from awkward poses to comedic expressions. Bring the laughter with your humorous interpretation of Mr. Bean's Statue of Liberty adventure. Click on Stylerize to apply the realistic style to your Mr. Bean image and witness the magic of AI. Take a moment to review the transformed image and laugh at the realistic depiction of Mr. Bean. Choose the meme image that best captures the essence of Mr. Bean's comedic genius. Select all images and click on Place on Canvas to arrange them for export. Finally, select all images and click on Export to download your realistic Mr. Bean meme image. And there you have it, folks, with just a few clicks. You've transformed an ordinary Mr. Bean image into a hilarious meme masterpiece using AI. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own memes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Until next time, keep spreading the laughter.